Unlock your potential. Exciting career opportunities await in Punjab and Gilgit-Baltistan's government sectors. Welcome to Ali Jobs Alert, your go-to-job consultant, bringing you the latest opportunities from the heart of Punjab and the serene Gilgit-Baltistan. In Punjab, the Resource Management and Policy Unit of the Planning Development Board has opened doors to exciting careers. Opportunities are ripe in the Punjab Resource Management Program, enriching your path to success. Remember, the deadline to apply is the 19th of February, 2024. Don't let this chance slip through your fingers. Mark your calendars and prepare your applications today. Shifting our focus to the north, Gilgit-Baltistan announces vacancies in the Food Management Information System. A chance to work amidst breathtaking landscapes while contributing to vital sectors. The closing date for these positions is the 22nd of February, 2024. It's a call for professionals who dream of making a difference in a unique setting. For more details on these golden opportunities, visit the official website. Stay ahead, stay informed. With Ali Jobs Alert, you're always a step closer to landing your dream job. Thank you for trusting Ali Jobs Alert. We're here to navigate you through your career journey, ensuring you seize the best opportunities. Stay tuned for more updates.